general equation of parabola with focus h, k, and directrix. Equation of directrix is Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. Here is the parabola and its focus is at S, which is h and k. Any point on this parabola is denoted by P with coordinate x, y, and this is the equation. This is the line called directrix, and its equation is Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. And this one is the principal axis which is perpendicular to the directrix. Here we can see that this axis is not parallel to x-axis or y-axis, but the axis of parabola is inclined. Okay, so for this parabola we have to find the general equation. So we know that in parabola Ps upon Pk is E, eccentricity, which is equal to 1, or Ps is equal to Pk. Ps, we can find the distance of point P and S using this formula, x minus h square plus y minus k square root over, and Pk is the perpendicular distance of point P from the directrix. So it is mod of Lx plus my plus n divided by square root of L square plus m square. Now squaring both sides, then we have x minus h square plus y minus k square. In numerator we have Lx plus my plus n whole square divided by L square plus m square. Now if we expand this, then this will be x square plus h square minus 2xh plus y square plus k square minus 2ky, obviously into this L square plus m square. On the right hand side we have L square x square plus m square y square plus n square plus 2lmxy plus 2lnx plus 2mny. Now we will simplify this expression, or we will bring all the terms on the left hand side. Then this equation will be something like this: ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where a is the coefficient of x square, and that will be L square plus m square minus L square. Okay, so by simplifying this expression, we can simplify this expression in this form, where a is coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of y square, a and b are constant. Similarly, this h2h will be the coefficient of the term xy, and 2g is the coefficient of term with x, 2f is the coefficient of term with y, and c is the constant. In fact, a, b, h, g, f, c all are constant. So this will be the general form of, or general equation of parabola. Now if it is the equation of parabola, then h square, this h square has to be the product of coefficient of x square and y square, that is a into b for parabola. H square must be equal to a into b. So in this way we can find out the general equation of parabola. Now, in the last lecture, we have seen that general equation of parabola with axis parallel to x or y axis and vertex at alpha beta. Here, the axis of parabola is either parallel to x axis or y axis, and vertex is not at origin but at alpha and beta. So, the general form for right-sided parabola is y minus beta square equal to 4a x minus alpha. For left-sided parabola, this equation is y minus beta square minus 4a x minus alpha. For upward parabola, this equation is x minus alpha square equal to 4a y minus beta. For downward parabola, this equation is x minus alpha square equal to minus 4a y minus beta. Sorry. See, if parabola is right-sided or left-sided, the first two equations will always be in the form of y square plus ay plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is another type of representation of right-sided or left-sided parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis and vertex is at alpha and beta. And for upward and downward parabola, the last two equations will always be in the form of x square plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are constants. So we will use this to general form of equation of parabola to find the desired equation of parabola by calculating the coefficient a, b and c. We will see the example in the coming session. Let's see the first example. Find the equation of parabola with vertex at origin. The axis along the x-axis and passes through point minus 3, 6. Okay, so vertex is at origin. Vertex is at origin. The axis is along x-axis. Okay, so axis is along x-axis. So it could be either right-sided or left-sided parabola. So if it is right-sided, then it is y square equal to 4a x, because vertex is at 0, 0. And if it is left-sided, then equation is y square equal to minus 4a x. Now it is given that the parabola is passing through the point minus 3, 6. So let's substitute x and y in these two equations. So x is minus 3, y is 6 square. So 4a x is minus 3. If we substitute this point in this equation, then this will give the value of a negative 36 divided by 12. And the value of a should always be greater than 0. A cannot be negative. So this parabola cannot be a right-sided parabola. So now let's substitute this point on the equation of left-sided parabola. Y square is 6 square minus 4a, x is minus 3. So this is 36 equal to 12a. So A becomes 36 by 12, that is 3. So the equation of parabola is now y square minus 4 into 3x, or y square is minus 12x. This is the desired equation of parabola. Now let's see the next or second question. Find the equation of parabola whose latest rectum joins the points minus 2 comma 2 and minus 2 comma 4. So let's roughly draw the locate these 2 points in xy plane. Minus 2 plus 2 is somewhere here, and another point is minus 2 comma minus 4. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 2 comma minus 4. So these two are the endpoints of latest rectum. Okay, and we know that the midpoint of latest rectum is the focus. Okay, so the total length is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. LR, latest rectum, is length of latest rectum is 6, or 4A is 6. So value of A is 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. And the coordinate of focus has to be at the center of these 2 points, that is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so focus is minus 2 comma, this point is minus 1. Minus 2 comma minus 1. Now we know that the axis of parabola is perpendicular to the latest rectum, and axis of parabola must pass through the focus. So this is the axis of parabola, which is parallel to x-axis, or its equation is y equal to minus 1. Now we have 2 possible parabolas here. One is the left-sided parabola, another is right-sided parabola, because the parabola can be right-sided or it could be a left-sided parabola, something like this. Okay, this one is left-sided and this one is a right-sided parabola. Focus is known, axis is also known, so we just need to find out, and the value of A is also known, 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So just we need to find out the vertex. For right-sided parabola, this should be the vertex. So for right-sided parabola, vertex, we know that the distance of focus and vertex is A. So focus is at minus 2 comma minus 1. So for this right-sided parabola, vertex is A distance from the focus towards left side. So the coordinate of vertex has to be -2 minus a comma -1 or -2 minus 1.5, that is minus 3.5 comma -1. This is the vertex for right-sided parabola, and axis is parallel to x-axis. So we can write the equation for this right-sided parabola, that is y minus -1 square equal to 4a x minus minus 3.5 square. So it is y plus 1 square, and value of a is 3 by 2. So 4a is 6 x plus 3.5 square. This is the desired equation of a right-sided parabola. Now for left-sided parabola, this should be the vertex, and the distance of focus and vertex is a, and vertex is a distance towards right side of this focus. Focus is at -2 -1, so the vertex has to be -2 plus a comma -1, or -2 plus 1.5 is -0.5 comma -1. So now the equation is this parabola is left sided, so equation is y minus -1 square equal to -4a x minus -0.5 square. So we can write this equation as y plus 1 square equal to -6 x plus 0.5 whole square. So this is the equation for desired parabola, which is left sided, and for right sided this is the equation. I just make two mistakes. This should be, the square is not here, so just remove the square. Now the two equations are correct. The third example is, find the equation of parabola with vertex at -2, 3 and focus is at -2, -1. So let's quickly locate the vertex and focus in xy plane. Vertex is at -2, 3. -2, 3. This is the vertex, and focus is at -2, -1. -2, -1. This is the focus. S is -2, -1. And the line joining focus and vertex is the principal axis. And this is the axis which is parallel to y axis, and its equation has to be x equal to -2. So the desired parabola should be the downward parabola with vertex -2, 3. Okay, and what is the distance of vertex and focus? This distance is 3 plus 1, that is 4. So a equal to 4. And the parabola is downward parabola. So for downward parabola, the equation is x minus -2 square, and it is downward, so minus 4a y minus 3. So we can simplify this. X plus 2 square, and the value of a is 4, so it is 16y minus 3. So it is x square plus 4 plus 4x minus 16y plus 48, or we can write it like this, x square plus 4x plus 16y, and 4 minus 48 is minus 44. You can also find the equation of directrix, and the directrix has to be 4 point above the vertex. So here value of y is 3, 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, so y equal to 7 is the equation of directrix. This distance is also 4. Example number 4th. Fourth example, find the equation of parabola with vertex minus 1 comma minus 1 and focus is at minus 3 comma minus 1. So let's quickly locate the vertex and focus in xy plane. Vertex is at minus 1 comma minus 1. And focus is at minus 3 comma minus 1. Minus 3, this is minus 2, this point is minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, and y is minus 1. So this is the focus S, minus 3 comma minus 1. And line joining focus and vertex is the axis. So this is the principal axis, and the equation of principal axis is y equal to minus 1, and focus is on the left hand side of vertex, so the parabola has to be left sided parabola. It should be something like this. Okay, so vertex is at minus 1 comma minus 1 and parabola is left sided parabola, so equation has to be y minus minus 1 square equal to minus 4a x minus minus 1. And what is a? A is the distance of vertex and focus. This is a. We can see that this distance is 2. So value of a is 2. So y plus 1 square. A is 2, so it is 4a is 8 minus 8 x plus 1. So y square plus 1 plus 2y equal to minus 8x minus 8. So y square plus 2y plus 8x plus 9. This is the desired equation of parabola. And what should be the directrix? So the distance of vertex and directrix is also a. Vertex is at minus 1 comma minus 1, so the directrix should be somewhere here at distance 2 from vertex, so it is 0, 1. So the equation of directrix should be x equal to 1. Example number 5. Find the equation of parabola with axis parallel to x-axis. Axis is parallel to x-axis and the parabola passes through these 3 points. Okay, so axis of parabola is parallel to x-axis. So the parabola could be either right-sided or left-sided. And the general equation for right-sided or left-sided parabola is y square plus ax, in fact ay, plus bx plus C equal to 0, where A, B and C are constant. So by substituting these 3 points and from these 3 points we can get 3 equations, and by solving the 3 equations we can get the values of A, B and C. So let's substitute 3 comma 3. So the first equation is 9 plus 3y, in fact 3a, plus 3b plus c equal to 0. So 3a plus 3b plus c equal to minus 9. This is the first equation. Now let's substitute the second point. So 5 square is 25 plus 5a plus 6b plus 6c equal to 0. So 5a plus 6b plus c equal to minus 25. This is second equation. Now let's substitute third point, 6 comma 3. So minus 3 square is plus 9, and then minus 3a plus 6b plus c equal to 0. So this equation is minus 3a plus 6b plus c equal to minus 9. Now by solving these 3 simultaneous equations, we can find the value of A, B and C. I am using my calculator to get these 3 values. You can use substitution method or elimination method to find the values of A, B and C if calculator is not allowed. Otherwise you can use calculator. So value of A is minus 2, B is minus 4 and value of C is 9. So this is y square minus 2y minus 4x plus 9. So this is the desired equation of parabola. Now we can also find out the focus and vertex for this parabola. Y square minus 2 into 1 into y. So for this, due to this 1, add 1 square and subtract 1 square, minus 4x plus 9. The first 3 terms will give y minus 1 whole square, and then minus 4x and 9 minus 1 is 8. So y minus 1 square is 4x minus 8, or we can write y minus 1 square equal to, take 4 common, x minus 2. So this is the equation for basically right-sided parabola. And vertex is at 2 comma 1, and focus, we can also find the focus because it is right-sided parabola. Its axis is parallel to x-axis. The value of 4 is 4, so a equal to 1. So focus must lie on the right side of vertex. So focus, y-axis remains same, x-axis should be 2 plus a. So focus is 3 comma 1. In this question, we have to find the equation of parabola with axis parallel to y-axis, and the parabola passes through these 3 points. Now we know that the general equation of parabola, which is with axis parallel to y-axis, is x square plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A, B and C are constant. So let's substitute these 3 points, because these 3 points are lying on parabola. It means these 3 points will satisfy this equation of parabola. So let's substitute 0, comma minus 1 by 3. So 0 square is 0 and then 0, and b is y is minus 1 by 3 plus c equal to 0. So first equation is 0a minus 1 by 3b plus c equal to 0. The second point is 2 comma minus 2. So 2 square is 4 plus 2a and then minus 2b plus c equal to 0. So 2a minus 2b plus c equal to minus 4. This is the second equation. And third point is minus 1 comma 1 by 4. So minus 1 square is plus 1 and then minus a plus 1 by 4b plus c equal to 0. So the equation is minus a plus 1 by 4b plus c equal to minus 1. Now let's solve the three simultaneous equations to find the values of a, b and c. And the values are 8, 12 and 4. So the desired equation is x square plus 8x plus 12y plus 4 equal to 0. Now we can find out the vertex and focus of this parabola. So this is x square plus 2 into 4 into x. Because of this 4, add 4 square and subtract 4 square. Then 12y plus 4 equal to 0. From the first three terms, we have x plus 4 whole square and then minus 16 plus 12y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is x plus 4 square. On the right hand side, we have minus 12y and this is plus 12. So x plus 4 whole square, take minus 12 common, this is y minus 1. So this is the equation of parabola with vertex minus 4 comma 1, and this parabola is downward parabola, and the value of 4a, minus 4a is minus 12, so 4a is 12. So the value of a is 3, and the parabola is downward parabola. It means focus is lying at a distance 3 from vertex, below the vertex. So focus should be, x-axis remain unchanged, y-axis should be 1 minus a. So focus is minus 4, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. What about the directrix? Directrix is a distance above the vertex. So the point on principal axis through which directrix is passing has to be minus 4, 1 plus a, that is minus 4 comma 4, or the equation of directrix should be y equal to 4. You can draw this parabola and locate these points. Okay, now let's see the next example. Here we have to find out the equation of parabola with focus 1 comma 1 and directrix. The equation of directrix is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Also find the equation of principal axis and the coordinate of vertex. Okay, so focus is s 1 comma 1. Directrix the equation of directrix is given x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, which is in standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Any point on parabola is P. And we know that in parabola PS upon PK equal to 1, or PS is PK. PS is the distance between point P and S, and PK is the perpendicular distance of point P from the directrix. So PS is x minus 1 square plus y minus 1 square and then root over. PK is the perpendicular distance of point P from this directrix. So it is x plus y plus 1 mod divided by square root of 1 square plus 1 square, squaring both sides. So this is x minus 1 square plus y minus 1 square. This is x plus y plus 1 whole square divided by 2. So multiply 2 here. So we have x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y. And this is x square plus y square plus 1 square plus 2xy plus 2x plus 2y. So this equation is now 2x square minus x square is x square. And then 2y square minus y square is y square. And then minus 4x minus 2x is, in fact, bring this minus 2xy first. And then minus 2x is minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x. And then minus 4y minus 2y is minus 6y. And then 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is the desired equation of parabola. See, this equation is in the form of ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, where a is 1, b is also 1, value of h is minus 1, and this equation is satisfying h square equal to ab, because h is minus 1 square is plus 1, a into b is also 1. So this is the equation of parabola. Now we have to find out the principal axis. Directrix. The equation of directrix is x plus y plus 1 equal to 0, or y equal to minus x minus 1, which is in the form of y equal to m1x plus c. So the slope of directrix is minus 1. And we know that the principal axis is always perpendicular to the directrix. So the slope of principal axis is m2. And the principal axis is perpendicular to the directrix. It means product of slope of directrix and principal axis has to be minus 1. This will give the slope of principal axis, which is equal to 1. And principal axis should pass through the focus. Okay. So we have the slope of principal axis and a point through which principal axis is passing. So the equation of principal axis is y minus y1 equal to m2 x minus x1. And this point x1 y1 is 1 1. So y minus 1, slope is 1. X minus 1. So y minus 1 equal to x minus 1. So it is simply y equal to x. This is the equation for principal axis. Now we have to find the coordinate of vertex. focus is known, and we have to find the coordinate of vertex. So let us assume that vertex is at alpha comma beta. Okay, the parabola is, the vertex is lying on the parabola. It means alpha beta should satisfy this equation, and the vertex is also lying on the principal axis. It means alpha and beta will satisfy this relation y equal to x. So substituting alpha comma beta in this equation of principal axis, then this will give beta equal to alpha or alpha equal to beta. This is first relation. And the vertex is lying on parabola. So alpha comma beta will also satisfy this relation. So substituting, in fact, x equal to alpha and y equal to alpha in this equation, because alpha equal to beta. So alpha square plus y is also alpha. Alpha square minus 2, x is alpha, y is alpha. So alpha square minus 6 alpha minus 6 alpha plus 3 equal to 0. So alpha plus alpha 2 alpha square. So these three terms are cancelled out. This is minus 12 alpha plus 3 equal to 0. So 12 alpha is 3, or alpha is 3 by 12. 3 by 12 means it is 1 by 4. Alpha is 1 by 4, so beta is alpha, that is 1 by 4. So the vertex is 0.25 comma 0.25. Okay, so in this way we can find out the equation of parabola and the principal axis, equation of principal axis and the coordinate of vertex. Thank you.